Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Oh, the sound so echoing. Now, actually, I'm at this Ascott Star Klcc, brand new also, actually, place. And then 26th floor, 26 to 3A. This is the unit, which is also it's a one bedroom deluxe. I checked the price today. Today is actually Sunday, and the price is actually 600. So, but my friend had checked in book earlier before, and he got like 1,500 for 3 days, so more cheaper. Okay, so let's look in the room. Okay, I'm gonna change the lens. Okay. Now, first, what you see here. Okay. This is the hall, and then this is the kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna show you one by one. This is the open here. It's a fridge. Look at that. It's nice. And then freezer. Oh, oh, the round. Okay, and then this is the yeah, here. Okay, so for dry or wash after wash, and then this is for your tea, and then also black pepper and also salt, and this is for your mug and your glasses, and then here is for your cooking. All right, and then they give this as well. See, it's nice. And then the cutleries. Oh, nice cutleries. And all the utensils for cook. Okay, and then the bread toaster. This is no, this is not bread toaster. And then all the coffee here. And then this is a towel, and by surprise, here for you to wash your clothes and to dry also by Samsung. And then they give the this thing to wash. Okay, and then this is the hall. Look at that, it's very nice. Okay, and then look at the interior. Okay, that's my bag. And then he came with the soundbar. This one here with that one is one set with this remote soundbar, and this TV is not a smart TV though, but it's actually, I think it's 55-inch Samsung. And then look at the view. Wait, okay, can't really see because of the flare, right? But it's Klcc, and then you can see all the well, it's a very nice view actually. Okay, it's from here. Okay, now let's look into the room. Ta-da! King size bed, and then a same TV, not smart TV. Samsung also 55-inch. That's the remote, and then this the I don't know, the lights together. It's not this one, my friend's one. And then okay, and then this is the wardrobe. Okay, look at the back. Just wait a moment, I want to take a picture of it. Okay, and then look into the view. Can't see also. Okay, this one can't open. Oh, can't. Okay, because of the flare, you can't really see. But okay, so okay, all right, and then let's go into the washroom, the toilet. So okay, that's my friend's one. This one is by the hotel. Okay, and then okay, can't open. Okay, oh, can. Oh, all right. I see. Okay, and sorry, and that's the, and then this is the towel, it's nice towel also. Yeah, by the way, you can open from the if you're feeling sexy or in shower, and this is from the hotel. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna take a picture of the way. Okay, all right. So that's it. The room review for me. The one bedroom deluxe Ascott style Klcc. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.